Hello traders. Today we will learn something which will help us in taking trading decision. Kindly watch the video till the end so you will know how to place a stop loss. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Today we will be using TradingView charting platform and 3 indicators which will help us to trade. You can see the 3 indicators on the screen. Let's first take ADX and change something so it looks prominent. First we change the color of level, then change the color of ADX line to white and bit thick. Now we see on ADX indicator white line at value 20, it's a threshold levels. Once ADX crosses this, there will be strength in the trend below that, it will be sideways, a weak trend. So if we using it for intraday trading, we change the period from 14 to 10. Now we select Murrey Math line indicator and get on our chart. Murrey Math lines will give 14 levels. Major levels are 0 to 8. From level 4 to 8 it's uptrend levels. Then 3 levels above it for breakout. Same way from 4 to 0 is downside levels, and 3 levels below it. This indicator
is calculated on math's formula. Levels will be same for January 5th.
15-minute chart. It will be different on hourly chart and different on daily chart. Now we select watt-hour explosion indicator and change some settings. Now we have placed all our indicators on the chart. All these indicators are free. Now the big question is where to take a trade. First we need to see volume. Is it green or red? If it's green, so we need to see ADX. Is green line above the red line? Is it above 20 threshold levels? If it is above 20, then trend will be good and there will be momentum. Is ADX white line is above red and green line, or is it below? If ADX white line is below red and green line, then we cannot see prices moving and going to the next level of Murrey lines. If we take a trade for long, then trend has to be in our favor and volumes has to be in our favor too in dark green histogram. We will check higher time frame to check all our indicators. Of all the 3 indicators, at least one indicator should be showing our trend. Now we go to Tools and select last option Anchor VWAP and place it on the current day's lows. Changing parameters to low. This Anchor VWAP will help you to manage your stop loss. If we taking a long trade, then our stop loss will be a candle opening below Anchor VWAP or below the current day lows if price is nearby. Thank you for watching the video.